Welcome back, everyone. Looking at our Coronado sky cam at this moment, we have a shower off to the west, but other areas are seeing some stronger thunderstorms this evening. We'll take a closer look at that here in a minute. 86 degrees right now in Fargo. Another warm day, another humid day with that dew point at 62. Light winds right now out of the southwest at 3 miles per hour. Meanwhile, Grand Forks 87. That dew point is 60, so it's a little muggy out there ahead of a cold front that's currently moving through. Temperatures ahead of that front have warmed into the 80s. We're now at 77 in Hallock, 75, some rain-cooled air in parts of northeastern North Dakota, 82 in Wadena, 83 in Jamestown. Here's a look at that satellite and radar. The cold front just now moving into the northern valley, and ahead of that, we've got some thunderstorms that have developed. The thunderstorms across the northern valley have been on the stronger side, sub-severe, but producing some gusty winds and some small hail. So these spots that you see popping up in purple, that is the hail core as indicated by radar, and the purples indicate small hails, not till we get to the brighter blues that radar indicates 1-inch hail or severe criteria hail. So small hail within the storms right now, but something to be aware of. As the storm passed through Cavalier, there was a gust reported of 52 miles per hour, so gusty winds and small hail being the primary threat at this hour. Meanwhile, through the Central Valley and parts of southeastern North Dakota, a few passing showers and thunder showers. Right here is the one we're taking a look at on the sky cam. Here's what we can expect for the rest of our evening. That cold front going to continue to drift through later on this evening, so it'll be a while before it completely passes through, but along and ahead of that front we'll continue to see thunderstorms develop. A couple will remain strong. Isolated severe, not entirely out of the question, but it's not anticipated for this evening. Small hail, gusty winds, heavy rain along with lightning will be the primary threats that we're watching for this evening. Once that front passes through during the overnight hours, we're going to see a wind shift, that wind turning out of the northeast. It's going to pull in some cooler air, possibly bringing in some wildfire smoke as well. So alerting you to that for your weekend ahead. It'll be breezy tomorrow with morning temperatures in the 50s and low 60s, and the wind is going to increase as we push into the afternoon hours. Could see some gusts around or over 30 miles per hour. We see some of those yellow-green shaded arrows primarily in the southern half of our region. And overall much cooler temperatures. We're talking 70s for most, upper 60s for a few far north, a couple hitting the low 80s. So a relief from the heat, a relief from the stormy activity, and also a relief from the humid conditions. Here's what you can expect for Happy Harry's Rib Fest tomorrow, the last day. Temperature near 80 degrees, a couple of clouds here and there, but overall the main impact for your days tomorrow is just going to be some breezier conditions. Something to watch out for. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon, again, much cooler than where we've been. Cool through the weekend. Bobby, we are watching another heat wave, let's call it, middle of next week, but less stormy overall.
A mild heat wave.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
It's in the 80s where like it's still hot, but it could be hotter.
Exactly.
So yeah, Summer, thank you so much.